Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
The Learn, Develop, Live podcast brings you another 1 minute of motivation, and here is today's quote from Mr. Stephen King. Amateurs sit and wait for inspiration. The rest of us just get up and go to work. Now, are you one of these people? Are you sitting there waiting for a hint, for a spark of inspiration to just come and knock on your door? Well, let me tell you something here. That's not going to happen. You need to get up and get on to it. Maybe you need to go somewhere to be inspired, or listen to someone, or see something. The point is, nothing is going to come your way. Instead, you need to go and find it, whatever that looks like to you. Good luck.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.